India's manufacturing sector is on the brink of a revolution. From smart factories to cutting-edge green tech, the way we make things is changing faster than ever. And in the next decade, these changes won't just shape industries, they'll shape the lives of 1.4 billion people and the global economy. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 innovations that are transforming Indian manufacturing for the next 10 years, with real examples you won't hear anywhere else. India is no longer just the world's back office, it's emerging as a global manufacturing hub. In 2024, India's manufacturing output crossed USD 500 billion. The government's Make in India 2.0 policy, coupled with PLI schemes, is boosting domestic production. But it's not just about producing more, it's about producing smarter, cleaner, and more efficiently. Innovation number 1, Smart Factories and Industry 4.0. This integrates AI, IoT, robotics, and data analytics into manufacturing. Machines now talk to each other and schedule their own maintenance. Tata Steel's Jamshedpur plant uses AI-powered predictive maintenance, reducing downtime by 20%. This cuts costs, increases efficiency, and reduces human error. Innovation 2, Green and sustainable manufacturing. Industries are shifting to net zero manufacturing goals, focusing on renewable energy and zero-waste processes. Companies like Aditya Birla Group are investing in bio-based chemicals, while Suzlon Energy powers its production plants with wind energy. This meets global ESG standards. Innovation 3, Advanced materials and 3D printing. Using graphene, carbon fiber composites, and lightweight alloys for stronger, lighter products. Wipro 3D is producing aerospace components using metal 3D printing, while Godrej Aerospace explores 3D printing for satellite parts. This reduces import dependency. Innovation 4, Automation and collaborative robots, or Cobots. These are safer, smaller robots designed to work alongside humans, perfect for small and medium manufacturers. Bajaj Auto uses Cobots in motorcycle assembly for precision welding, while TVS Motors deploys AI-powered inspection robots. This improves quality without replacing workers. Innovation 5, Digital supply chains and blockchain. These track products from raw material to delivery in real time, ensuring transparency and trust. Reliance Industries is testing blockchain for textile supply chain tracking, while the Tea Board of India uses it to trace premium tea exports. This reduces fraud and increases buyer trust. From smart factories to blockchain-powered supply chains, these innovations are rewriting India's manufacturing story. The next decade will belong to countries that combine technology, sustainability, and skilled manpower. And India is positioning itself right at the front. If you're an entrepreneur, student, or professional, now is the time to prepare and upskill for these changes. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because here, we bring you the stories that shape the future of business in India.